I know I've shown this palette from Adriana Nichole Cosmetics a couple times, but today I'm going to show you a graphic look with it. So I'm going to use one of these neutral shades, and then I'm going to go over top of it with a shimmer just to make it more intense. I'm going to go in with the middle brown. It's called Fearless, and I don't really care how messy this is. This is just to get the overall shape. I do have my eyes primed, so I like to look up so I can see where I'm going to put the top of this shape. The hardest part is getting them equal, but I'm a strong believer in your eyes do not have to be equal. Just like people say for your eyebrows, they're sisters, not twins. And the majority of people you come across are not professional makeup artists, and they're not going to notice that your makeup's a little off. Going in with that same shade, just gonna fill in the shape I drew. I think this shade's really beautiful. It's like a reddish brown shade. It's a very warm toned brown, and it really complements my hair. I'm gonna take this Trailblazer shade here. This is a blue to purple shift. I'll show you the color. I'm gonna put that on top. Look how gorgeous this is. I don't have any like glitter primer or anything. I'm just putting the shadow right on top of the other one. I did have a eyeshadow primer underneath the brown, but I haven't put anything else on top. I'm gonna take a brush and just try to get the edges as close as I can. There we go. This side wasn't as pointed. You can see the shift there. It's purple to blue. I'm gonna go and take that brush that I had both colors on. I'm gonna just dip it into this brown again and just go under here. I just did a light dip. Now I'm just gonna take this shade in Invincible and just pop that right in here. I'm actually gonna use that as my highlight today too. So there's the yellow gold, and then it's pink. If you look in this mirror, you can kind of see the shift. I will never stop recommending this. From the mattes to the shimmers, this palette is gorgeous. And if you know anybody who likes super like shifty shades, shimmers that are very high shine and attention grabbing, this is definitely for you or for that friend. The holidays are coming up, and this is only $30.